Hi, my name's Sheila Tubman, and I'm going to tell you about my point of view for the first 6 chapters of this book, which I'm not really involved in. But I'm okay with not being involved in it because let me tell you, my life was terrible with Peter Hatcher in it. And now that I'm in 6th grade and Peter Hatcher has moved to New Jersey, he's in a new school, and I am so happy I don't know what to do with myself. First of all, I go sit on their stupid rocks in Central Park that they told me not to because they're boys and they're not going to tell me what to do. Second, if I could only get Jimmy Fargo to move away, then the school year couldn't get any better. 6th grade is great without Peter Hatcher around. I do miss his cute little brother Fudge, though, and his parents are always nice to me. But I'd trade them all for Peter to be gone. There aren't a whole lot of people my age in the building now to hang around with, but that's okay because I didn't like those boys anyway. I'm Sheila Tubman, and this has been my point of view as to what's going on in this chapter and this book so far. So I hope you've enjoyed it, but if you didn't, I don't really care. I'm the greatest, and thank goodness Peter's gone. And if you're watching this, Peter, I've sat on your rock in the park.